and welcome to Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I am so excited because I have a brand spanking new style for you. This style is not available in the Paula Young catalog. You have to go to paulayoung.com and you have to click on exclusive sneak peek, and then you're gonna find this style. It's Natalia, and this is a new color. It's called Sunlit Sable, and it's 416 S6. I have not looked at this. I just got home from work and it was on my doorstep. I'm so darn excited that I forgot to tell you that on my head is also a brand new style. This is from Jaclyn Smith. This is Encore, and the color is Wildflower Honey. I did a review on this in 3 colors. I'll link the video over here. You don't want to miss this one. It is gorgeous. But let's get to unboxing. Brand new hair. Ooh, there she is. Let's pull her out and see what we got. So we have your basic cap construction with your extended felt front. This is lace covered open wefting. I'm assuming there's going to be permatease in here. We have your bendy metal stays and those ear tabs, all open wefting, lots of stretch. We have an extended nape. We do not have a bendy metal stay, but we do have these nice Velcro closures. Oh. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm already in love. Look at that color. All right, so here's your part. There is a crisscross that's kind of hard to see, and I do think that there's a little bit of permatease in here. Oh, also, I need to show you something because in 2 days I have to go to the nail salon and get my nails done again. So this is totally off of wigs, but I have a kitty cat. That was for Halloween. So you know I have Sylvester and Roxy, so I got the little black cats for Halloween. All right, this looks so pretty. Look at the waves. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this on. So what am I waiting for? Let's try it on. Oh, you guys. Look at this. Oh, she's a pretty one. Oh, she's a pretty one. Look at that color. Look at those waves. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I literally had hair like this back in the day because I used to get a perm. And then I got the perm just for the body, and then I would actually curl it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Alright, so I tend to do this when I have a basic cap wig. Here's my hairline here, actually. There's not really any hair there, but that's my hairline. But I tend to move it back. And then when it parts here, because I don't have really any bio hair, it kind of looks like that's your scalp, your natural scalp parting. So I like that. I like to move it back a little bit. And when I move it back, I don't really have to trim the bangs. Here, let me step back. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're like literally, this is the video. There's nothing to do. I'm just gonna comb that part out. And then with the heat of my hands, I kind of squeeze it a little bit just to get it off of my face. And I might pull this down a little bit. I'll have to kind of play around and see. And that's what you have to do when you get them for yourself. You have to play around and see. So I do feel permatease in here. You want some big hair? We can get some big hair. Yeah, there's a nice amount of permatease, but it's not an over-the-top amount of permatease. It's not like an Emmeline. It's not like a Gale. It's not quite that much. But it's enough to give this, oh, this is just pretty. It's feminine. It's a cute romantic style. And the color. So, Sunlit Sable. I promise you that I'm going to call Paula Young and I'm going to beg them to make this color in every wig. This is beautiful. For those of you that are looking for colors, something lighter than Pecan Delight, but darker than Honey. That's sort of our conundrum, right? We don't really have another color. It's like we go from honey to sort of a dark brown. So this is a great happy medium in between there because of the highlights. So 416 S6. The 16 must be the blonder color. It's beautiful. This wig could have somebody else's name on it, and this wig could be $400. These fibers are amazingly gorgeous. The curls are just beautiful, and the curl pattern is beautiful. The fibers are soft. Oh my gosh. I just think this is beautiful. I haven't been cutting bangs. Now, certainly you could. You could trim these if you like bangs. And I know that a lot of you on the Paula Young fan page do. But what I tend to do is, like I showed you, I pull it back a little farther from my hairline. But another thing that I'll do is I'll take those and kind of tuck them under the wig cap. And I'll do that on this side as well, under the wig cap. Not too much, not drastic, just enough. And it's out of your face and you still have the style and you still have that side swept look without really changing how they created this style. And I think that's super cute. Oh my gosh. Natalia in Sunlit Sable. This is beautiful. And I think you should all go buy it. And I'm actually definitely going to go buy more. Oh my gosh. All right. So I know that all of my 80s ladies are going to absolutely adore this style. It is just beautiful. I hope that you enjoyed this look at Natalia in Sunlit Sable, and I hope that it helped you make up your mind if it's a style for you. And I will see you very soon. Thanks again for joining me, and let's take a look outside. Bye-bye.
The dimensions on Natalia are 7 inches at the front, 10.5 inches at the top and crown, 11.5 inches at the sides and upper back, and 10 inches at the nape, and it weighs 4.3 ounces. The first look was on my front porch, which is shaded, so I wanted to give you more of a sunlit view of this color. It is so gorgeous. You can really see the highlights in the sunshine. And it's super windy outside, and you can see that the movement is just beautiful. And here's a look at my chickens. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks so much for watching.